Hi, this is Marcela from Spiritual Nutrition Counseling, and I want to teach you how to make natural antiseptic for your hands, and you can use it for your car, for your, you know, all of the little things you need. You do not need to use chemicals in order to have your household and your body clean. It is important to understand this, that chemicals will lower your immunity, and there is many incredible natural things that you can use in order to clean your household. One of them, it's very cheap, which is hydrogen peroxide, and you can spray hydrogen peroxide in your bathrooms, in your handles, on your hands, and this will definitely sanitize everything around you. You can also use iodine. Iodine was used in hospitals for many years before chemicals. Okay, so you can put in a spray bottle iodine with distilled water and make yourself a bottle for disinfecting viruses and bacteria and parasites. So what I created here, it's what I always use actually to travel. I just came back from 2 months of traveling, and of course I didn't get sick, and good hygiene, it's a must. Natural hygiene, it's a luxury. So if you learn how to do a natural hygiene, it's just so beautiful. And let me explain you why I'm so excited about this. Well, this is my little traveling colloidal silver that I use, and basically I use colloidal silver. This I bought it in Spain when I was in Spain, and all the coronavirus broke. I said, I just let me go buy some colloidal silver, so I used something extra. Yeah, I didn't need it. I traveled with me with, frankincense, lime, rosemary, lavender, melissa, tea tree oil. I mean, I have a little baggie of my essential oils, which are antibacterial and antiviral, with me all the time. Always in my purse, you're always gonna find either lavender or rosemary or one of these delicious smelling oils. And so basically, make it short here. So you put colloidal silver in a spray bottle, yeah, like so. Yeah, just very easy. Grab any little spray bottle that you have around the house, and just put colloidal silver. This one is 120 ppms. There is 240 ppms. There is all different types. Any will do. Any of your colloidal silver will do. So basically, I've already put frankincense, and I put melissa, and I put, you can do just one. You can do lavender or rosemary or tea tree oil and colloidal silver. I mean, you don't even need to do any essential oils if you don't want to, but I like it, and it's extra, and it smells delicious, and yeah, so I'm putting some tea tree oil, and that's it. Then you close it, you mix it every time. That's it. Ooh, that smells good. And that's it. That's how you clean your hands, and yeah, that's it. And you can put it on your neck, and it feels so good, and it smells so good, and it's very it's a very delicious way to get clean and smelling absolutely wonderful. So I wish you have a beautiful rest of the day, and since everybody's at their homes now, I wish you take some time to learn how to clean your home, how to clean your body, and how to live a more natural life. Now, a lot of people are not working, they have the time. Invest the time on your health. Your health is also the health of the world. If you buy chemicals and you're polluting your home, you're polluting also your body. So learn how to clean your house naturally. It's not so difficult. You can use hydrogen peroxide, you can use iodine, like I said before, and there is many ways. I will be making another video also on how you can clean your vegetables. I send you a lot of love, and stay connected. Stay connected with yourself, and stay connected to positive thinking. Help the people around you, and communicate yourself with love. Communicate yourself with love. Don't speak to yourself in a aggressive, mean way. You are beautiful, you are loved, and I wish you many blessings, health, light, love.